On the alleged sexual assault of minors at a school in Badlapur, Shiv Sena UBT leader Uddhav Thackeray has said that such incidents should not happen anywhere in the country. He has claimed that his government was going to pass the Shakti bill, but his government was toppled. He then said that it is the responsibility of those people who toppled his government and are now in power to pass the Shakti bill and take the strictest action. My colleague Prathamesh with us on the broadcast. Prathamesh, take our viewers through the details.
Yes, correctly. As the incident is happened in the Belapur, and in which 4-year child was being sexually assaulted, and after that, now the politics being played on this. As we have seen now, the Uddhav Thackeray has came on the Badlapur incident. He has said that when we were in the power, we were able to bring the Shakti bill, in which all this incident would be covered, and if something would be happened, the action can be taken on this. But my government was been toppled before that only, before presenting Shakti bill in the Vidhan Sabha. Then after that, now it's the responsibility of the person, of the individual or the government who is ruling now in Maharashtra, because they have only toppled my government. So he has said this, and now it's their turn to bring this Shakti bill and present in front of the Vidhan Sabha and to pass this bill, because this bill includes the different types of elements, so that the women and also the small children will be safe, and also the proper action can be taken over this. This bill consists of this. So on this, now the incident which happened in the Badlapur, as well as all the three principal, as well as the class teacher, and also one female attendant has been suspended from the college, as well as the one sweeper has been also arrested by the police. And after this incident, as we have seen in the early morning as well, how people gathered on the railway tracks as well to draw attention towards this, as well as now the Devendra Fadnavis has given the orders to form the SIT and investigate on this matter. Yes.
Prathamesh, thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast. Meanwhile, Maharashtra's Education Minister has spoken out about the Badlapur rape case. Listen in.
बहुत ही दर्दनाक घटना है। हमने इस पे एक्शन लिया है। पूरे डिपार्टमेंट की मीटिंग मैंने ली है। मेरे डिपार्टमेंट चार IAS ऑफिसर है, सब है, हमारे प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी यहाँ पे है। तो मुझे लगता है कि जो भी मेजर्स हमने लिए थे वो काफ़ी थे। 8 महीने पहले भी मैंने इसका रिव्यू लिया था, फिर भी इंसिडेंस हो गया क्योंकि वहाँ का CCTV बंद था। तो हम लोग आज एक सर्कुलर निकाल रहे हैं कि CCTV सिर्फ बिठाना काफ़ी नहीं, अगर बंद भी रहेगा तो आप पर एक्शन हो जाएगी। तो हम लोग बहुत सेंसिटिव है। विशाखा समिति हम लोग अपॉइंट कर रहे हैं, जैसे ऑफिस में विशाखा समिति होती है वैसे स्कूल में अपॉइंट कर रहे हैं। और 9वीं 10वीं कक्षा के जो हमारे स्टूडेंट्स है, जो लेडी स्टूडेंट है, उनको इसकी जो हमारी बच्चियां हैं उनको ही जिम्मेदारी दी जाएगी, क्योंकि बच्चे हेजिटेट करते हैं टीचर से बोलने में, और अपने जो सीनियर्स है उनसे वो इजीली बात करते। तो ये भी हम लोग एक कोशिश कर रहे हैं और फास्ट ट्रैक में इसको लेके जाएंगे, स्पेशल प्रोसिक्यूटर देंगे, इसको कड़ी से कड़ी सजा होनी चाहिए।
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.